In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase row height in Smartsheet the easy way. If you've ever typed a long note into a cell and only a single line shows up while the rest seems to disappear, this is for you. Smartsheet keeps rows compact by default, which is great for a clean grid, but it can make longer text hard to read. The quickest, most reliable way to see everything without manually resizing anything is to use wrap. Start by typing or pasting your text into the cell where you want it. You'll probably notice that only part of the sentence is visible and the rest is cut off. That's normal. Now, click the cell once to select it. With the cell highlighted, look toward the top of your Smartsheet window in the toolbar. Find the option labeled Wrap, sometimes shown as an icon with stacked lines bending onto the next line. Click it. Immediately, Smartsheet will expand the row height automatically, so your text folds neatly onto multiple lines inside that same cell. Nothing about your content changes, no characters added or removed. Smartsheet simply adjusts the way it's displayed. The row grows just enough to fit the wrapped lines, and you can read the entire note at a glance. A quick tip: wrap is a toggle. If you click it again on that same selected cell, it will go back to a single line view, and the row height will shrink accordingly. That means you can switch between a compact grid and a fully readable layout whenever you need, without digging through menus or manually dragging row borders. This approach works the same whether your cell contains a short sentence, a detailed description, or a long URL. It's especially helpful when you're taking notes, logging updates, or pasting information from emails and documents. Wrap focuses on readability, keeping the grid organized while making sure nothing important gets hidden. If you don't see the wrap button at first glance, it's usually near alignment tools in the toolbar, and it may appear as an icon rather than the word wrap, depending on your screen size. Also, make sure the cell is selected before clicking wrap, so the change applies exactly where you want it. That's all there is to it. Type your text, select the cell, click Wrap at the top, and Smartsheet will automatically increase the row height so you can see everything clearly. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.